Doctors told patients the pills were fake. The bottles literally said placebo on the label, and the patients got better anyway. Harvard researcher Ted Kaptchuk ran this exact trial on people with chronic pain and irritable bowel syndrome. No deception. Full transparency. Sugar pills, clearly labeled, handed directly to patients who knew exactly what they were taking. Their symptoms improved significantly. This should not be possible. If you know something is a placebo, the placebo should not work. That is the whole logic behind how we think belief operates. But here is what Kaptchuk actually found. The part of your brain that reads the label is not the same part that generates the healing response. And those two systems barely talk to each other. Your conscious mind understood the pill was fake, but a deeper system, one built on years of conditioning around doctors and rituals and medicine, activated anyway. It did not care what you knew. It responded to what it recognized. Belief is not one thing in your brain. It is at least two, and only one of them is listening to you.